Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and I wanted to do a little 24-hour review with the Samsung Galaxy S20, and this thing has blown me away. I came from the OnePlus 8 Pro. I sold that. I didn't really like it after about a month of usage. It kind of just wore off and just wasn't what I remember of OnePlus, which is a lot of people were saying that with the quality control, the software updates, that kind of stuff. So I went back to Samsung. I had a Note 10 Plus before that. I didn't want to get another Note because they're about to release the new one in the next couple months. So I figured I'd try something else. And this thing, the battery life is much better than the Note, not the Note, the OnePlus. If we go down here, I haven't plugged it in at all today, and we have 6 hours 14 minutes screen on time, and we're at 26%. So definitely a phone that you can get, I would say, 6.5 to 7 hours out of, and that is at almost full brightness with 120 hertz on. So very, very, very good battery life. The OnePlus with the 120 hertz and the higher resolution. Now this can't be higher resolution and 120. It's one or the other. The OnePlus could do both, but it would chew through battery. You would get about 4 to 5 hours screen on time. So that just absolutely killed the battery. This battery holds up a lot better in my opinion. The screen is a little bit smaller. This is a 6.2 inch screen, whereas the OnePlus 8 Pro I believe is a 6.7, 6.8, right around there. So a little bit larger, but this phone is very easy to hold in the hand. The screen looks very nice. Very good colors, very good resolution, very clear, crisp screen in my opinion, and I really, really like it over the OnePlus 8 Pro. So if you can't find a OnePlus 8 Pro in stock, I know they're hard to find right now, check out the Samsung. I definitely think it is worth it. That is just my little 24-hour take on the S20 right now. I will be back with a full review later on after I've had some time with it. And that's that. Thanks for watching. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.